The Supreme Court has expressed strong disapproval over the growing number of petitions challenging the Places of Worship Act. On Monday, Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna made it clear that no more petitions would be entertained on this matter, stating, "Enough is enough. There has to be an end to this." A three-judge bench is set to hear the pending petitions in April with a possible date announcement in March. The court had earlier on December 12, 2024 halted proceedings in 18 lawsuits filed by various Hindu groups seeking surveys of 10 mosques including Gyanvapi in Varanasi, Shahi Idgah in Mathura and Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal. Since then, several new petitions have been submitted, including ones from AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, Samajwadi party MP Iqra Choudhary and the Congress party. They argue that increasing legal actions against mosques and dargahs threaten communal harmony and secularism. On the other hand, the Akhil Bharatiya Sant Samiti, a Hindu organization, has approached the court to defend cases challenging the 1991 law. This law prohibits changes to the religious status of places of worship as they existed on August 15, 1947.